Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install CS2 on MacBook Air M5 of 2026, or basically on any MacBook with Silicon chip. So first of all, we're gonna need to download and install the crossover application, which will let us then install the Steam and the games that are not natively supported by Mac. Now, the crossover application, it is not free; it is paid for. But still, they have the 14 days free trial version, which I recommend trying first before you get to know whether or not the game you want to play is running smoothly on your laptop. So right now I'm recording this video on the MacBook Air M5, which is the 2026 model, and let's search for the crossover Mac website. Their official website is codeviewers.com. So let's open their official website, and here, as you can see, lifetime supports costs almost $494, or 12-month support is costs much less. And I heard there were some promotions running on the internet, but anyway, what we're looking for is the free version, which you can get by tapping try now here. Then you're gonna have to select, enter your name into this field, your email into this field. Now, if you want to opt out the obligatory email, then hit this checkbox and click download trial now. The crossover installer will download to your downloads folder. There you'll be able to run this application. So let's do this. Let's tap open. Let's select move to applications folder, and then we go through the default installation process. We want to open it for sure, then select try now. Okay, and so right now what we're gonna need to do is simply select Steam, tap install, then wait until this Steam is installed, so it's gonna take a while. Okay, during the process of Steam installation, we're gonna have to go through the native Steam installation, so the way it looks on Windows. So select your language here, tap next, then the destination folder, yes, is the C disk. It is created artificially via crossover, since the Steam we are installing right now is a Steam bottle, basically, for macOS. Okay, now let's wait for the Steam to be updated, and then we're of course gonna have to log into our Steam account. Just wait for the update to be finished. Okay, the Steam is updated. So now let's enter the account's name in here and the password in here, or sign in with your QR code, however you like. Then press enter. Then let me confirm it quickly. And now let's wait until we are fully signed in. And yeah, that's pretty much enough. So right now we're gonna be using Steam as usual. So you go to your library, or you go to the Steam store page and get link Counter-Strike to your account. Then click install here, select your C drive, make sure that you have enough free storage, then tap install, and then we're gonna have to wait for the download to be finished, and I'll see you there. Okay, so the CS2 is installed, and now the last issue that we're gonna encounter on our way is that it's probably not gonna be played in the full screen mode. So let's start it. After the first launch, we're also gonna need to install some Visual Studio packages. Most definitely we're gonna have to do this. So let's wait for them to appear on the screen. Okay, nope, I was wrong, but still, the CS2 by default opens in a windowed mode, which is not something that we wanted to do, right? So let's go to settings. They are right here in the top left corner. Settings menu, then we go to video and change from full screen window to full screen. Then we're gonna have to hide the dock, so navigate right here, then tap with 2 fingers, turn hiding on, and after that we're gonna have to select apply changes, and for some weird reason after that my game goes dark, and I wasn't able to revert it for the first time, therefore we're gonna have to do this. So press Command Tab, stop the game if you have the same issue, then confirm, and then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna return to the desktop, then select Go right here, select Go, and then scroll down. And now hold down the Option key. Well, and after holding down the Option key, you will see this library option. Open it. Then in this library, we're gonna have to expand application support and scroll down until we find crossover. Then let's expand crossover, bottles, Steam. And then here we're gonna have to find the Drive C folder, expand the Drive C folder, then scroll down to program files x86. It's very important. Expand Steam folder in here, and then here in this Steam folder, let's scroll down to user data, then let's open user data, and let's open the following folder that we find here, which is 8888 something. Then let's open 73 folder in here, and then we're gonna have to select local, CFG, and here you'll find CS2 video.txt. Let's open this file, and in this file all we have to do is change setting.fullscreen from 1 to 0. So change 1 to 0 in this place, and then Command S to save this file. So use the Command S shortcut to save this file and close it. Then we can close this window too, and then let's open Steam. Let's play Counter-Strike, and let's see how it goes right now. Okay, so we see the logo, and let's see if the game will switch to the windowed mode. And as you can see right now, everything is running smoothly, so we can start playing the game straight away, start our training session, and I'm just gonna quickly show you how it runs on the M5 if you're interested. By the way, I don't have a mouse connected. I didn't prepare a mouse for this, but I hope it's not an issue. So yeah, it's gonna be quick. I'm not planning to stay here for long. So I can tell that the graphics settings are not set to the max. That's definitely. But as you can see, the FPS is pretty stable. Unfortunately, I don't have them enabled, and for some reason when I tried to enable FPS meter in the Steam overlay, it didn't work for me. So yeah, like if I set it in top left, then into top left I will have just this tiny rectangle. But yeah, so from what we can see, the game is running steadily. I don't have anything opened in the background. Let's check the video, advanced video settings. So yeah, the current preset is set to medium. And that's it. So right now we can pretty much play this game. So let me just stop it. I'm not familiar with the CS2 interface. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.